Okay, Yuji, I'll show you how to do the further steps. First, you need to open the QGIS, then drag and drop your classified image. For example, I'm considering for 30th November 2019, and this is the classified maximum likelihood for 30 November 2019. Then drag it, drop into the QGIS and drop here, and go to this Open Data Source Manager, then vector and vector databases. Select this save file of your ROI, then open, then aid. After that, go to vector, then data management tools, and reproject layer, and then run. After that, I'll select this all. After that, you need to go to the raster and the extraction option, and then flip raster by mask layer, and then select your input layer as maximum likelihood 30th November 2019, and these fields are optional. Then go to go to this clipped mask. You need to save to file, select it, and select your final image directory. For we're doing for 30th November, and I'll make one new folder here by Control Shift N, and this will be my final image, and enter there, and name your file name. For example, final image 13th November 2019, and save it, and then run. Hit the run button here, then close. And for styling purpose, click option here, then styles, copy style, and here this is the processed image. Go to styles and paste this style here. This is our final image. After that, you need to do the screenshot as you've mentioned. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day or night. Good night. I'm so